It was the most brain-burning interview ever, and the candidates were dumbfounded when they just got the paper because it was empty. Everyone was confused, but they did not dare to do anything rash. Because just now, the examiner announced 3 rules. It is forbidden to dirty the paper, forbidden to communicate with the examiner or the guards, forbidden to leave this room. Violating one of them will be disqualified. He also said that there was only one question for this interview, and only one answer, and at the end he asked everyone. No one answered. You have said that it is forbidden to communicate with you, who dares to answer? Then the examiner pressed the timer and turned away. Little by little the time passed, knocking on the table and shaking their legs, and the interviewees became more and more agitated. At this point, Sasha couldn't sit still, no matter what, right first. But no sooner had she written the beginning than she was asked out by the guards. The Sasha was out. Because she violated the first rule by smudging the paper, the others see this and rush to put down their pens. At this point, the man, Hank, discovers the mystery, since the examiner said 3 prohibited to do, so as long as you don't violate these 3 rules, you can do everything else. For example, you can stand, walk, talk, and even destroy everything in the room, and of course kill each other. Hank suggests that we all work together first to figure out what the problem really is. First, Lori suggests the first speculation, that the test papers may have been coated with invisible ink and need some sort of medium to make the words on them visible, so the group begins to try various things. First, with the normal light did not work, they knocked the normal light, the blue emergency light came on, still did not work, then knocked the emergency light, which was a special red light, came on, however, it still did not work. Then Hank comes up with a second speculation, maybe pencil shading or something like that shows up, and he frantically blacks out Sasha's paper, who has already been eliminated, and it still doesn't work. What about using water? Hank tears the paper into 4 pieces, gives one to Alan to lick wet with his saliva, and steps aside to experiment with urine himself, resulting in a paper that is nothing but yellow.